So Geordie's just gone to do some shopping and some laundry, and I've got a job to do. It's a bit windy. Oh. So I've seen online a few people have done this, and I think it's a really good idea. When we're cooking on the barbecue, this obviously comes out on a slide out tray, but there's not like a table nearby. We've got our big camping table, but this tunnel boot, what you can do is turn this into a table, because it normally just flaps down like that, and you can basically DIY your own straps so that it stays up, so that you've got this whole area for putting plates or food or anything like that. Now there's always several ways to do the same thing, and I've managed to find everything I need without going to a hardware store, which is pretty cool. So a lot of people use like galvanized steel wire, but I found this, which is like a really strong nylon or polyethylene strong wire that will just hold up the table. Draper's the brand. So I've already tested out on this side. Basically drilled 2 small holes into the side of this metal outline, which is like a raised area. Just 2 small screws, and then this thing, I'm not sure what it's called. It's like a hook. I've got some carabiners, which means this doesn't have to be a table all the time. So if we don't want it to be a table, we just unhook the carabiners and it will just flap down like normal. And then on the Caravan side, there's already these screws in place. So I've just loosened this a bit and then tied the string or rope around it, and then tightened it real tight back up. And that is like super strong. If you don't have these screws already, you can obviously drill and screw into the side of this. If you have doors like this, it seems to be thicker metal on the outside, which just goes all the way through. So do it on the inside where it's not as thick, and you'll pierce the whole bit of the metal. So I've had to do 2 this side, so I'll just cover that up with some black silicone. They seem really strong. Now just to measure this. For when we don't want to use it, we just unhook the carabiners, and I'm going to put some little screws just up the top here, so we can just hook the carabiners on and have the string out of the way. It's all done. And with these bits, and
well done, clever boy,
Jordan. Actually, really tight. Obviously, you can't put like really heavy things on there. You don't want to use it. Just hang that up there. Quick update, we've been using it for a while now, and Jordan did break it, but that was my fault. Basically the screw had damaged the wire, so what I've done is just loosened the screw and left quite a bit of thread there, and then I've wrapped the wire around the thread and tied it properly, and there's going to be no damage to the wire that way. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Catch you in the next one.